Jai Hind students, welcome in live class. Students, previous class we have discussed exercise 7D, that is factorize, and till question number 35 we have discussed here. Clear students? I think everyone clear. Now we just going to start question number 36. This is little bit different. They only terms is the different. You can see here 35, 36 is here, 28 minus 31x minus 5x square. Students, what is the, why we are saying this is the different from previous? This is not a different, only terms are different places. X square terms we are always get here, but now here the constant value and there is the square term. So how we will solve it? Solving method is the same. Means 31 is here and 5, and this is the constant term. 5 into 28. We can do this is with this sequence. Also we can change the sequence. So students, we just telling you first of all with this sequence, what a sequence is given. Clear? So 5 into 28, so minus 5 into 28, what we will get? 5 8 is 40, 5 2 is 14, 14 plus 5 2 is 10, 10 plus 4, 14, minus 140, it will come. So minus 140, when we will find the LCM of this, 2 7 ja, and again 35, 5 7 ja, and 7 1 ja 7. 2 2 ja 4, 4 5 ja 20, 27 ja 140. Clear students? So basis on this one, we have to distribute this two value. Clear? 31 and 140 should come also. 5 2 ja 10, 10 2 ja 20. If we will do, students, 7 into 5, what will come? 35. 5 into 7, 35, and 2 2 is 4. So what we have got? 35, if we will minus 35 minus 4, then 31, and 35 into 4, that is minus 4, minus 140. But here is the minus 31 is given. So sign of the 35, it should in negative and plus 4. Then we will get the minus 31, and minus 35 multiply 4, then we will get the minus 140. Now students, we can see 31 is the minus 31, minus 140, then minus 140. So both we have got here. 28 is here, we will write as the same. 31, so what? 31 minus 35 plus 4 minus 35. So we will write here what? Minus 35 or plus 4? Minus 35 if you are writing, so it will be plus minus 35. So we will, because this is the opposite term is given, we start from the 4. 4 minus 35. So again what we will get? Minus 4 plus 35. Clear? So what should we write? Because we want to do minus 31, so plus 31 we will get. So students, how we will write now? We will write as the same, 35 minus 4. We will not change the sign here. Minus 35 minus 4. Then x minus 5x square. Clear students? What we have done? First of all, we are writing here what? Only minus 35 plus 4. This way. What will happen? When we will open the bracket to minus minus plus, plus 35 and minus 4. 35 minus 4, 31, only in plus. But here the minus. So we will write not this way, 35 minus 4 we will write. Previous question we have told you students. 28 minus 35, x will multiply minus 4x minus 5x square. 28 minus open the bracket 35x minus that is plus 4x minus 5x square. Students, now you can see here minus 35 plus 4 and plus 4, then you will get the minus 31. Clear? Now open making the group 28 minus 35x, it is in one group, plus 4x minus 5x square, it is second group. 28 minus 35, what should common here? Because we can see here 20 and 35, it is not divisible with each other. So any number we will take. So what should we will take? 7 4 ja, 7 5 ja. So we will take the 7 4 ja minus 7 5 ja, plus here what we can see here, only 4 5 numbers is not common here, x and x square. So x we can take, so 4 minus 5x. 4 minus 5x in both places, that is common. So 4 minus 5x, 7 plus x. So 4 minus 5x we cannot change because they are minus sign, but here 7 plus x we can also write the x plus 7. So 4 minus 5x and here x plus 7 we can write. Students, again I am telling 28 minus 31x minus 5x square. So what same process we will do, constant term and this is square term, we will multiply 28 minus 5, 28 minus 5. So 28 minus 5 what will come? Minus 5 into 28 minus 140. Now 140 we will find for its LCM. So what we have got, 2 2s are 2 7s are and 35, then 5 7s are, then 7 1s are 7. Two value we have got, 7 5 are 35, 2 2s are 4. 35 4 we will adjust such way should come here minus 31 and minus 140. So what we have got, minus 35 plus 4 minus 31 minus 35 multiply 4 minus 140. Now 28 minus 35 minus 4 we have written, x minus 5x square. Now x will multiply to 35 into 4 and 4 also. So 28 minus 35x minus 4x, and there is the minus 5x square. 28 minus, open the bracket, 35x plus 4x, because sign is minus is here, so this sign will change, plus and minus 5x square. Now close the bracket, means making group 28 minus 35x plus 4x minus 5x square. 28 minus 35, variable is not common here, but numbers can divide. What number we have taken? Common, 7. 7 4 ja 28 minus 7 5 ja 38, sorry 35. And x number is not common here, but x variable is both place. So list value we will take x 4 minus 5x. Now 4 minus 5x and 7 plus x. 7 plus x we can write the x plus 7, but 4 minus 5x are the same because their minus is given. So it will be your answer. This is the first way. Now we will change the place of this issuance. This way you can do, no problem. Just note it down. Now I am telling this second, when we change the places of this one. Like a previous question, square term should be this place. Clear? Everyone noted? Students, when we change the place, minus 5x square will come this side, this whole term here, minus 5x square. Now minus 31x we will write, and this is a plus 28 we will write. Student, what we have done, 28 minus 31x minus 5x square. Now we changing the place, minus 5x square minus 31x and plus 28, because there is a plus sign, because no sign is here, so by default we can write the plus sign, so plus 28. So students, now previous question, previous till 35, you have got this way sequence, only here the minus sign, but we have to do as the same like minus 5 into 28, you can see here students, minus 5 into 28, minus 5 into 28, minus 140, the same way. Now 140 we will find LCM. What we have got? this term we will get. Now 435 we will take, minus 35 plus 4 minus 31, same thing here, and minus 5x square minus 31x is here. So what should take? 35 and 4. So 35 minus 4, 35 minus 4, x plus 28. Students, you can see previous whatever we have done, it's the same way we are doing. Minus 5x square minus 35 into x, 35x minus 4x plus 28, minus 5x square minus, open the bracket, 35x minus minus plus 4x plus 28. Now making group here, minus 5x square minus 35x plus 4x plus 28. Students, here we will take the minus as a common, means minus will should come outside. When minus will come the outside, all the sign will be changes. So now first of all we will sign outside. So plus 5x plus 35x. This is x square, this is x plus 4x plus 28. We will take common 5 and x, because 5 can divide 35, x square and x, the least value is x. Minus is same as a 5x we have taken outside. So what will come? Only x plus 5 7 ja, x plus 7, same here, plus 4 we will take common, x plus 7. Clear students? X plus 7 in the both term. So what should common here? X plus 7, x plus 7, and here minus 5x plus 4, minus 5x plus 4. X plus 7 as it we will write, whatever written, and minus 5x plus 4 we can write 4 minus 5x. This way we can write. 4 will come this side, minus 5x, so 4 minus 5x. So answer will be x plus 7 and 4 minus 5x. It will be your answer. Students, again I am telling you, x square 28 minus 31x minus 5x square is given. Clear? What we have done, minus 5x square it should come first term, then minus 31x, then plus 28. Now minus 5x square minus 31, 28 into minus 5, minus 140, LCM we have got, true value we have got 35 and 4. Minus 35 plus 4 minus 31 and multiply, then minus 140. Students, minus 5x square minus 31x, 31 we have written 35 minus 4, x plus 28. 5x square minus 5x square minus 35x minus 4x plus 28. Minus 5x square minus, now open the bracket. When we will open the bracket to minus and minus, that is plus 4x plus 28. Minus 5x square minus 35x, we will make a group, plus 4x plus 28, it is in one second group. Now we have taken from this minus as a common. So when minus we have taken the common outside, the sign will be changed. This one is plus 5x square, this one plus 35x, plus 4x plus 28. 5 and x we can see here common, so we have taken outside, x plus 7 plus 4 here is common, to 4 x plus 7. X plus 7 we will take as a common, minus 5x plus 4, minus 5x plus 4, x plus 7. Now we will replace this one, 4 will come this side and minus 5x. So answer will be x plus 7, 4 minus 5x. It will be your answer, students. Now note it down one. Both two methods we have told you. If first you will do first way, then also you will get answer same. As if you will change this place, then also you will get the same. Which method? Both method is easy and you can do the any method. This is the question number 36. 37 you have to do same. 38 38 as the same you have to do. 39 Noted everyone? Now everyone noted now? $39 students. There is given 39, 3m square plus 24m plus 36. Students, here we can see 3m square plus 24m plus 36. As the same, we have to do 3m square plus 24m plus 36. Students, one thing is important here, what we have told, now here we will apply here. Exercise 7a, what we have done, first whatever the value is given, we should see it is any common from all the terms or not. Second, if not common, then we will see the identities, if identities will apply or not. Third, whatever we are doing, factorize by the middle term splitting. Clear? The three rules are here. Means when we are getting the expressions, we will see these three things. Here we can see students by the exercise 7a, 3m square, 24m and 36. 3 can divide 24 8 times and also can divide 36. It means 3 here is as a common. So, we will take first of all 3 as a common. Students, previous question we have not seen because that not basis on this one. But here we can see, here the need of this one, we should take the common first of all. So, what we will get 3 1 ja 3 1 m square, only m square, 3 8 ja 24 8 m plus 3 1 ja 3 3 2 ja 6. So, what we have got m square plus 8 m plus 12. Now, when we will do factorize it, means by split method middle term. So, only this expression we will do. Now, we will not see the 3 is always outside, clear. So, 8 m and 12. 12 when we will find the LCM, 2 6 ja, 2 3 ja and 3 1 ja 3, means 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, but how we will take, because we want to 8 also. So, 3 2 ja 6, 3 2 ja 6 and there is the 2, 3 2 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12 and 6 plus 2 8, clear. So, what two term we have got, m square plus 8 m we have got the 6 and 2. So, 6 plus 2 m plus 12. Now, the same 3 m square plus 6 m, open the bracket, plus 2 m. First of all, m should multiply inside, then we will open the bracket. 3 m square plus 6 m, sign will not change because the outside is plus sign is given, plus 12. 3, now making group here, so m square plus 6 m, it is one group, plus 2 m plus 12, the second group. We will take common 3, what should common here, m, because numbers is only one place is given, m plus 6, and here 2 we will take common, then also we will get the m plus 6. The m plus 6 will be common. So, here we can write m plus 6 first of all, 3 outside, 3 outside, m plus 6, then 3 plus, 3 we have taken outside, m plus 2 will left, m plus 2. So, what will be the answer? 3 m plus 6 and m plus 2. It will be your answer. 3m plus 6, m plus 6 we have taken common and m plus 2 will be left. So 3 is already outside. 3 is outside, m plus 6 and m plus 2. Clear students? So note it down. Now we have discussed 39. Forty as the same you have to do, but here not common is here, basis on the previous. 41, 42 all are the basis on previous, but last question we will tell you 42 students. 42. Question number 42 here given. 7x square minus 19x minus 6. What should we take common? 7x square minus 19x minus 6. As the same we will do. I think everyone noted. Seven into minus 6 students. 7 into minus 6 then minus 42. Now 42 LCM 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 4 1 ja 3 7 ja and 7 1 ja 7. We will see the 19. Here 19 is given. 7 3 ja 21 and here is 2. 21 minus 2 19. So 21 into first of minus, but here minus 19 is given, so minus 21 plus 2, then you will get the minus 19, and minus 21 into minus into 2, then we will get the minus 42. Student, you can see in both places we are getting the minus term. So 7x square minus 19, we will write here to minus 21 plus 2, but we will write here 21 minus 2, x minus 6. When you open the bracket, 7x square minus 21x, sign first of all, 2x we will multiply first of all, x 7x square minus, open the bracket, 21x, you know that how it will come, plus 2x minus 6. Now we will compare the minus 21 plus 2, minus 21 then plus 2. Now close the bracket, means making group. Now students, plus 2x minus 6. Here 7x, it is a common, so x minus 3 will come, plus 2 here is common, so x minus 3. What will common here? X minus 3. We will write here x minus 3 and 7x plus 2. It will be your answer, students. Now question number 42, it will complete it, students. Now note it down everyone on your copy. After that, now this chapter is completed, students. 7E, that is a miscellaneous question. First of all, note, students, 7D is completed, students. 7E, it is a miscellaneous, so you have to do on your practice copy. You will make a practice copy. That's whatever the miscellaneous question means, all the MCQs you have to do on that copy. Also practice, if you want to do practice, you have to use that notebook. Clear? So now when this chapter is completed, so new chapter, what will start? Students, time and work. Time and work, this is next chapter. Students, this is based on the unitary method. Unitary method, first of all complete this one, then we will tell. and all the notes and the solution we will send you, and you have to complete these chapters in your notebook, students. Clear? Now I am going to start the next chapter, time and work. Also we will send its notes plus question. Clear? So also you will, after this one completing, then you have to start. Clear? So time and work, you can see the page number, everyone. Now this chapter is completed, students. So now your book is already open. So page number 169, students. Okay, open. Before starting, we just want to explain you how you will do this one, because there is the time and work. The basis on that, how you will solve the questions. What we have told you, this is basis on the unity method. Unity method, that means suppose cost of one pen, one eraser is equal to rupees 5. Cost of one eraser equal to rupees 5. Then what will be cost of 10 eraser? What you have to do? You have to, if 1 is given and asking the 10, means less is given, asking the more. In that case, always we will multiply. So less, there is a more. So what we have to do? Multiply. 5 multiply 10, that is rupees 50. But it's suppose it is given the opposite, means cost of 10 eraser, that is given rupees 50, and asking about the cost of one eraser. Cost of one eraser. Students, here less value is given and asking the more. So what we have done? Multiply. But here just opposite, more value is given, now asking the less. In this case, what we have to do? Divide. So 50 divide 5. That is 50 times 50. 5 times 50, then 10 will come. So what will be the cost of? Sorry, here 10 is given, no? So we will write here 10. So what will come? Rupees 10 5s are 50. Rupees 5. Cost of one eraser will be 5. Clear? So basis on this way, time and work. This is related to time and related to time. Everyone can see in page number 169. Suppose A can finish a piece of work in 8 days. A can finish a piece of work in 8 days. Then work done by A in 1 day equal. So listen, see everyone. Time taken by A to finish the work equal 8. Okay, time taken 8 days. Time taken by A to finish the work equal 8 days. Means A has completed the work in 8 days. So asking that what part A has been completed in 1 day. Of the suppose a field has given A, there are the some work is there and A has completed in 8 days. So what part of that field he has completed, he will complete in 1 day, the asking. So work done by A in 1 day. Same question, students. Time taken by A to finish the work in 8 days and work done by A in 1 day. The 8 days is given here, 1 day asking in 1 day what part of work he has completed. The form is 1 upon 8, this part is completed. Means suppose this is the field is given, okay, and 8 days this work, some work here he has completed. So if you are asking about the in 1 day what he has completed, so 8 days means we will, what we will do, 8 part we will do this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again I am going here. Students can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In 1 day he has done 1, total is 8, this is fraction part, 1 upon 8. If second day we are talking, ki work done by A in 2 days, so 2 upon 8, 3 upon 8, 4 upon 8, 5 upon 8, till here, 6 upon 8, 8 upon 8, 6, 7 upon 8, then 8 upon 8. Means on 8 days he has completed all the work. Time taken by A to finish the work equal 8 days. There we are just assume that A has been completed the first of all this whole work. We are not this one is has a form. Suppose this is the rectangular field. He has completed in 8 days. Some work is here. Now if we talk about in 1 day, so we will 8 days that is according to we will distribute in 8 days work. How? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So 1 day he will complete this part, second day this part, third day. We are just assuming. It is not, you can say that if 1 day is completed up till here, no, better. First, this is assuming that in 1 day he has completed this part, second day till here, third day till fourth, this part is completed, 5 till here, 6, 7, 8. So on 8 days he has completed all the work. Clear? So 1 day work is 1 upon 8. If suppose is saying the 10 days, what will be 1 by 10? Is saying the 12 days, then 1 upon 12. Saying the 20 days, to 1 upon 20. If you are talking about the 1 day, he has completed the work is the 30 days. So in 1 day work is 1 upon 30. If n days, n, if suppose there is the n days, so what will be? That is 1 upon n. This is the formula. This is the formula. Time taken by A to finish the work equal n days. So work done by A in 1 day equal 1 upon n. Clear? You can see also here, this is book in given. Clear? This is the general rule that is given, and similar, if there is given this opposite, if there is given work done by A, work done by A in 1 day, suppose we are taking here 1 upon 30. So when A will complete the work, basis on this, what he will take, what the number of days will take by A, 30 days. So A will complete the work, finish the work equal 30 days. If work done by A in 1 day 1 upon 30, so what will take to complete the work? 30 days. If suppose 1 upon 30, place of we have written 1 upon 50, 50. So what will be? 50 days. Similar. So students, this is introductory part. You have to, we will send you notes and you have to note it on your notebook. Clear students? So now, from you will try with the example or the question number 1 and 2. Okay, it's the introductory part you understood, so no need to. Next class, because today we have completed the exercise 7D, that is factorization. This is already burdened with you. So first of all, complete exercise 7D and write the notes of this one. Clear, students? So now I am leaving the class, students. Next class we will discuss its questions. Clear? So students, thank you, students.